Let's talk about it. And so when you're in an environment that 97 to 98% of the people are reacting or responding positively, well, you've got a winner. You've got the greatest winner potentially of all times. Dean, have you joined me? Hopefully I'm even broadcasting. Hang on a second.
Yeah. I got you. I had it on mute. It took me a while to get on because I had to get us some extra lines. I couldn't get in, but they opened the lines up. That's why the extra people come on.
Okay, Dean. All right, Dean. Well, how about sharing with them the linear compensation plan and give them an update on what you've learned today?
Okay, all right. Thanks for everybody for joining us this morning, and we've got some good news and we've got some exciting news. Which one do you want first? The good news or the exciting news? It's all good though. We this compensation plan that is literally just covering the globe. People all around are learning about this. There's people that are just experiencing some phenomenal, reaction to this because they've been able to sign up, but people are ready to sign up, and we're trying to get it where we can let you sign up. But let me explain how this thing works for those who don't know. It's one straight line that wraps around the globe, and this one straight line allows everybody to benefit from each other, which is uncommon in a pyramidal type structure where it branches out. This is one straight line. So everybody that joins this company will go in one straight line. When they join, they go to the bottom of the line. And how do you make money with this? Is by simply referring other people to this benefits club. When they join the benefits club, it gives you what we call qualifying certificates. These certificates are bankable. Very important to understand that. The people that you refer to the program do not count as sales for you. They count as qualifying certificates for you. Everybody else counts as sales for you. So here's how it works. You join for $27. You refer a couple of people at $27. Then you are qualified. The next 7 sales that come in from anywhere around the world, from anyone, you just completed a cycle, your position rotates to the bottom of the line, and you just made $27. You get to do this over and over again. There are 3 ways to accumulate these qualifying certificates. One way is by referring people to the program. The second way is whenever they pay on a monthly basis, their $27 renewal to keep all their benefits and the new ones coming all the time. To keep those benefits, they renew, they pay $27, you get another qualifying certificate. But the third way is a little different. When they make $27, you get a qualifying certificate. So whenever they cycle, they create another qualifying certificate for you. Those are the 3 ways to do this. They are bankable, and we will literally have people cycling, once a day, once an hour, once every 15 minutes, once every 5 minutes, and even quicker. So people are coming in from all around the world. Now I'll turn it over to Dean Gutch to give some updates and announcements of how this thing is going to roll out and where we're at right now as far as being able to get started. So Dean?
Okay, folks, this is exciting. This is real exciting. What we've got going on right now is just got off the phone not too long ago with the merchant company that we're going to be utilizing. We finalized everything. We are finalizing the paperwork. Actually, it was finalized, I'd say, what time this morning, Dean? Do you think you actually had all that finalized?
Wow, it was about 2 a.m. Eastern time.
Okay, so at about 2 a.m. Eastern time, we were finalizing paperwork. I think just the fact that we were able to talk to the CEO of our new merchant company at 2 a.m. in the morning went to show us that we've got a company that's going to care about this. So we have a very exciting organization that's going to be handling all of our processing, our gateway, and even from a withdrawal standpoint, we have a company who is working a deal right now with Walmart. And so we want to thank Linda, who was on last night. I think it was Linda Helen. Was her name Linda Helen was her name last night. Linda, if you're on the call right now, thank you so much. She did a great job, as a matter of fact, on that call. And so we want to thank her for bringing them to the table and getting them to work with us and doing it in such a timely manner. Here's the latest in the news for when we do launch. At any time, at any moment, it's just for the next couple of days. However, we're working on this paperwork now. Within the next day, it could be in the next 2 hours. We don't know, but we're not going to give an exact time. We're just going to let this thing roll out, and you'll know it when it starts to hit. And here's the way it's going to happen: is we're going to actually bring this online. We were talking before about having a 4-hour block and then bringing it down, then having another 4-hour block. Well, I just got off the phone with our programmers about an hour ago, and when we roll it out, it will just roll out, and it will stay up, and it will not come down. We have tested cycling, but when we do start it, it's going to be kind of like starting a crank starting an engine here. We're not going to cycle probably for the first few hours. So what we're going to do is we're going to let everybody keep signing up, and then all of a sudden they're going to start to see things cycle. Now, no one will lose cycling at all. No one will lose any positions. No one, cycling will constantly start retroactive from where it was last time. So we're going to cycle. We're going to keep it online. Sign-ups are still going to happen. You're going to all of a sudden start seeing cycles, and then when cycles start to hit, you'll start to see maybe he'll bring it down. He'll bring it from 3 hours down to 1 hour, down to a half hour, down to 15 minutes. We're just going to get it slow. We're going to tiptoe that way. So it'll come up, and it'll just go nice and slow, and the cycling will just get faster and faster as it grows and as it builds, and we'll continue on from there. So we're exciting. Keep bringing people to the call. We've got calls all day again today. We're going to have some special guests on tonight, some very exciting guests, build more credibility for everybody and just what's happening, and we're just real excited. So back to you, Dean, if you have anything you want to add, Kenny.
No, I just say we got these calls. The next one will be at 1 p.m. Eastern. Then we'll do one at 3 p.m. Eastern, and then tonight at 8, 9, and 10 Eastern. So we're doing 6 calls a day. And the reason we've cut this back from doing a call at the top of every hour is literally we had a hard time even going to the bathroom between these calls, because as soon as we get off the phone with the conference call, the phones would ring, and we didn't have time to eat lunch or anything. So we're it up and do every 2 hours during the morning to afternoon, 11, 1, and 3, and then in the evening we'll do 8, 9, and 10 p.m. calls. So with that, see you on the next call. Kenny, back to you to close it out.
Okay, buddy. All right. Well, there was the word. We can start most any time, and so we'll remain on standby. We'll remain excited. And 2plus7.com, a cash flow juggernaut coming to a checking account near you. We'll see you at the 1 o'clock call. Thanks. Bye.